Trevor Catalano, I'll give him his credit, got the win last night, starting in probably the sweet spot there outside of row 1, but folks, keep your eyes on that youngster in the 27, Evan Rogalski. Rather impressive last year. Lost the race by 1/1000th of a second last night. I feel like his time is coming. Keep your eyes on that 27.
Yeah, watch row number 3 there on the inside, that bright yellow 27 car. Last night's winner on the outside of Baldwin here as the green flag is in the air for eBay Motor Schultz Racing Fuel Cell 602s as they head down the straightaway into turn number 1. Remember, it was turn 2 last night. They're getting bottled up already through 1 and 2. Here they come off of turn 2. Clean and green so far. Looks like a good start.
Looked like Paul Hartwig Jr. on the inside there. Got stacked up. Got hit from behind there by that 24 car. As they're coming by, Catalano leads the opening lap. How about that yellow 29 Acapara wrecked on the first lap last night? They were the Olympic act, finished the race, and now up to 3rd.
Yeah, the outside lane rolling forward. Lewis dropping backwards in that 65 machine on the inside line. Here comes Ricky Collins, going to pop to the inside of Matt Cabrera. Cabrera in that yellow car slams it over on Collins in that beautiful 51 car. Again, there you see the maneuverability of those cars. Got stuck behind them, cut to the inside. We're stacking up on the back straightaway. We're still green. But man, they are all over one another in the middle of the field.
Yeah, starting to see what the hype is about with 602 modifieds. Really racy. They don't have a lot of horsepower. It's all momentum here in New Smyrna. And they're trying to keep it wound up on the outside. You see Evan Rogalski there in the 6th spot behind that 65. Andrew Lewis making it happen on the bottom.
Lewis starting to move forwards. Cabrera going backwards. Rogalski kind of battled in with nowhere to go. Still a lot of side-by-side, almost trapping each other. Like you see in New Hampshire, as you talked about earlier. Here comes Collins out of the pack. He's going to look to the inside now of Baldwin as they go into 3. Collins, 51, coming forward.
I love watching these cars drive down the straightaway, but it's a little clean air. This keen right now for Trevor Catalano. Out in front by 1.2 seconds now over Ricky Collins.
Way out in front, though, it is Catalano. Winner last night. A 1/1000th of a second. He's got a big lead tonight. A long way to go. Number 6 is your race leader. I'm sorry, 6 laps complete. 154 is your race leader. Watching Paul Hartwig and Brian Rogalski battle for position. You're getting strung out now, Austin. As I say that, Gary Fountain gets pushed out of line.
A little tap there from behind the 16 of Ethan Orchard. There's a 33 at tap, and they'll keep it green.
Schultz will make a pass on the James Woodford, number 76, son of Jimmy Wood. 7 laps complete. Field single file, picking off some laps. Battle heating up. Lewis is starting to move forward. Lewis in the 65, all over back of Ricky Collins now.
I wonder if perhaps close in on your race leader, Tommy, or Trevor Catalano. I'll get it right here eventually, but I think it's worth a shot, right?
Yeah, they might be able to push each other towards the front. They're putting some separation on the Baldwin machine as Rogalski put up on the rumper of Cabrera. Starting behind Staccato. The 12 out in the 73. They almost run out of room as it narrows up going down to turn number 1.
Actually, the 27 of Rogalski working with the 29 of Matt Cabrera. Through turns 3 and 4. Ricky Collins running second to Andrew Lewis right now. They're trying to close in on Trevor Catalano.
Austin. First night out was a wreck fest. Next night out, everybody's settled down. Had a pretty good little race, and they're doing a great job so far. 10 complete, just 15 to go. Again, this is a short race. There's not a lot of time. And going away now, it is the Trevor Catalano machine.
Collins and Lewis trying to work together, but really not making up any ground. See a little separation between those two cars down the backstretch now. Trevor Catalano showing a strong pace in car 54.
The two John Tomasos are side by side in the 38-33 car. Rogalski going to make a move on Jake Nelke. A lot of battles in the back half of the field. Things pretty calm up towards the front. It's still Catalano, Collins, and Lewis. Lewis peeking on the inside of Collins. I think those two need to stick together. And look out! Trouble front straightaway. Jake Nelke out of shape. And he's going to loop it, get up on binders, and save it. Thank goodness that wasn't any worse. It looked like it was going to be a real bad for Nelke for a moment. But he did a wonderful job to roll that thing up hit the brakes and keep it out of the wall. Yellow flag is out with 13 complete right at halfway.
And there goes Evan straight to the back. Unfortunate, heartbreaking for that young man. Got a good car. We'll see what he can do. But definitely going to hurt here.
Now, one of the comments that we've been hearing a lot of driver feedback, which is good. You get the driver feedback. They say it is hard to see that painted area. There's a cone there. There's a street sign there basically telling you you've got to have your decision made by this point. We're trying to do all we can to help these drivers out. And I appreciate the track and the officials who are working with these guys trying to get this figured out. This is a new procedure for this year's World Series. And we'll watch that 27 of Evan Rogalski. So he'll have about half the race to try to make his way up. Here we go. Pace car is off. BJ Wilcoxon drives the American Auto Daytona Dodge pace car to safety, and what a piling up off of turn before. Couple of cars stacked up, and I think the Ryan Fisher machine got a piece of the wall as the yellow comes right back out before he really even got going. Jonathan Moray involved. I think that's the Beecher machine, the blue car, blue and white machine down there. And I think that's the 02. Hard to tell from this vantage point exactly, but I believe that is the primary service group car, number 02 of Ryan Fisher. So let's watch and see if we catch anybody this time.
I'm going to hope that we don't.
So far, so good for the first half of the field. Car questionable, but I think he got the inside. Ricky Collins on the inside. Who won a race here last year in the 602s, driving the 02 for Ryan Fisher. We thought it was Ryan Fisher the whole darn time. It was Ricky Collins who climbed out the winner. He's looking to win this one in car number 51 as they come to green. It's in the air, and we are back underway. I thought we had a crash, but we did not. Side by side up front, Lewis trying to make it interesting in the 65 on the outside, trying to pick up a spot here. He moves into third. Leaders are side by side in 3.
Yeah, Ricky Collins, that's about the best we've seen all week on a restart in the bottom groove. I'll get it right eventually.
But that bottom groove went great for him, but now he falls back in on, and as Catalano gets that 602 wound up the full song here, Catalano pulling away. Won it in spectacular fashion here last night. Today, trying to make it look easy as he's led pretty much all the way. Catalano, Collins, Lewis, the top 3. Dyson for position behind them as they come off the corner. Lee Sharpstein out in the middle of the field, making his presence felt up the 5th.
And quietly making his way up through the field. I haven't talked much about him, but it's Brian Rogalski in the 72 car.
That's right, Brian, Evan's brother, trying to make something happen here. He's inside of Matt Cabrera's yellow number 29. Here comes Lee John Tomaso. John Tomaso's trying to make something happen here. Hardly to the inside of Cabrera now. Might have bounced off one another in 1 and 2. They keep it pointed. They stay green. 15 complete. Will be 16 to go, or 16 complete, 9 to go this time by for Catalano.
There it is, John Tomaso. His brother in tow, Carson right behind him as they go underneath that yellow 29 car. Paul Hartwig making the pass now. No position gain for that 73.
Evan Rogalski trying to work from the back of the field. Running out of time as it picks off the blue machine car sideways as Eric Lane in the 24 in the back of the field. Rob Schultz to his inside. Schultz going to have to contend now with his 24. Thought he was going to get by, but Lane powers up on the outside. Schultz and Lane side by side in the back of the field. They get single file. Now the entire field single file as Catalano is going to click off another lap. Some battles going though deep in the field.
Yeah, that 54 car, Catalano, looking pretty sporty right now. Picked up the win last night. It wasn't easy. I'm not going to say it's easy right now either, but definitely controlling the pace of this race.
Catalano looking strong. Yesterday's win giving him a ton of confidence, and he is parlaying that into tonight's run. 6 laps away now from the win. The battles heat up. Here comes Brian Rogalski in that orange and blue machine. Look at the inside of Lee Sharpstein. Spin, backstretch. Gary Fountain goes around, disappears behind the haulers. Yellow flag is out. We're going to bunch him up and do it again. Gary Fountain loops it off at turn number 2. Slides down to the inside. Not sure if he hit anything or not. But Gary Fountain goes around. Looks like he is rolling on his own power on the back straightaway. Should be a quick yellow flag here. Then 6 laps to go. Trying to salvage something for the Rogowskis here today.
Yeah, Brian having a strong showing. Beautiful orange and blue 72 car. We are ready to go, Ryan. 6 laps to go.
6 to go. We're out on the line. Look at Collins getting the launch. Collins leads us at the line. Let's see if he can hold it down to the bottom of the racetrack. Collins moves up the track, trying to take the line away from Carolina, who's going to power up on the outside. Great race for the lead down the back.
They're trying to do exactly what I was saying there before. Run that leader up out of the groove and try to take the spot away, but Catalano's going to fight back on the outside. Now down to Angela Lewis, looking for a place to go in third.
That was almost a replay of what happened last night. Catalano powers on the outside. Boy, when he hits the gas off the corner, that car rockets forward. Collins going to try to keep rhythm here. Catalano starting to pull away. Field stacking up off turn number 4. A lot of close quarters racing. It is Catalano now by a car length in turn 1.
And Paul Hartwig running in 5th, and it's side by side. Just about all the way through the field behind him. 29, and they get clear. Baldwin gets a little loose going into 3 on the inside of Rogowski.
One car, and Sharon getting sideways in the 16. Hangs onto it. I thought we got a spin there off 4. The 16 hanging onto it. That car looks very, very loose. Keep an eye on the 16 in the middle of the pack. With 3 to go. They get 2 to go this time by Catalano. 2 to go. And this is looking to go 2 for 2. They're 3 wide in the back of the field.
And Trevor Catalano looking really strong so far this week, trying to make it 2 for 2 here for the World Series in the 602 modifieds. This time around, he's going to see the white flag.
White flag set to fly. Position still up for grabs in the back of the field. Catalano pulling away. Cars up towards the wall. That is the 27 of Cicero. We stay green. Catalano does not want to see the yellow flag as the field goes down the back straightaway for the final time. They have all figured it out. Coming off turn number 4. Going to make it look easy tonight. He's 2 for 2. Trevor Catalano wins it. Collins is second. Lewis gets third. And the rest of them fight for scraps here and make it through a very good race out of the eBay Motors Schultz Fuel Cell 602s as they get into a bit of a dust up in turn number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Trevor Catalano out of the car, 2 for 2 in the eBay Motors Schultz Fuel Cell 602s. Well, Trevor, 2 for 2. What a great start to this World Series for you. Last night you won by this much. Tonight you were the dominant car. So you guys made this thing even better, it appears.
Yeah, these guys, they don't stop working, When we won just by a little bit last night, they just wanted to make it better, and we just kept working on it all night. And, I think we got it pretty good. Make a couple adjustments for tomorrow, and hopefully be in it for the run on Thursday. And
Go to patreon.com/Speedway Video now